Alright, going to put lights in, and I got some new universal mounts to put onto here, but they're too tall. So I gotta take this out, cut this down, and of course, I just put the grill in, so now I gotta take that back out again, because can't fit the new light housings in onto here through the mount here. So gonna have to take this apart, take this off. I need to drop this in about 1 inch to be able to fit those in properly. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get going on that. Alright, so got these out now, and gonna go check them on my inspection table and record the length, and then drop those down about 1 inch. Let's see. .487. Okay. .204. Okay. And I'm guessing all the rest of the legs are relatively close to that 204. So within reason. So alrighty, well, I'll go ahead and set up and cut those down and get them clamped back on and measure it to 1 inch shorter and get it welded back up and put back on the car. Okay, I'll go get the welder turned on and tack these up and get it all welded together. And then, well, we'll probably tack it up, go check it, then weld it. Good plan. Alright, so now that I got this cut down, welded, and painted back up, I'm gonna go ahead and get these new light holders, whatever the fuck you want to call them. The original ones, like I didn't really care for the design of them, and I only had a couple of them. I would have had to buy new ones, and they're kind of annoying to track down. So these were like pretty reasonable for price. So I figure I'll go ahead and just mount these up. I need to do a little bit as far as like grinding them in and stuff, but then I'll just drill some new bolt holes for these and get those put in. So I'll get going on this. I think I'm gonna start out, I want to grind these so that both of these can mate up like right next to each other a little easier. I think these are gonna look really good. Alright, well, I'm ready to go put this in the carbon, and then I'll get the rest of the lights put in and get the wiring all figured out. I'll probably do that later this week, so it probably won't be on this video, but I gotta find out if I need to change the connectors or anything. But like I said, I'll do that later. But for now, it's not a big deal. So I'll just get these mounted in and move on to the next project. Alright, now the lights and grill are back. Looks pretty good. Pretty happy with how the universal mounts worked for these lights. That'll be it for today. Thanks for watching.